Finally got this bad boy up on the lift. Changed out the differential fluid. Gosh, up in here. Drained it right down there. And I hit the transmission and the fill cable. And there's the drain. Also did the dry sump pump, oiled sump pump, and oil pan, put a new filter. I also took out the antifreeze, did a 40-60 mixture. Coming over here, did the Mobile One 530. For the back I did synthetic here, 7590 Mobile One. Is the same spec for the dealer's AC Delco. And then they don't want to mess around with the transmission fluid, so put manual transmission, even though the TR6070 takes Dextron 3. I'll put the filter in on another day. And then I decide to put some additional limited slip friction modifier in the differential as well. And then here is the pre-stone Dex Cool for the vehicle. Everything looks pretty clean when I took it out. Nothing too dirty, so the previous owner definitely took care of it. You know, I also changed out the clutch fluid with some .4 yesterday, and last things left to do is the filter, spark plugs, and the flush out the brake fluid. That's a little bit a little too dark for my taste, but man, she's a beaut. Anyways, have to respect the Air Force Base for having a freaking shop lift to do this job. Man, it makes it so much easier. All right, bye.